Looking for a dependable replacement remote key for your Toyota or Scion? This key fits a wide range of models, including the Scion TC, 2005 to 2010, Toyota 4Runner, 2003 to 2010, Avalon, 2005 to 2012, Camry, 2003 to 2011, Corolla, 2005 to 2013, and FJ Cruiser, 2007 to 2009. If your original key is lost or damaged, this is the part you need to get back on the road without hassle. What you get is a complete working key with a chip already included. That means it's ready to be cut and programmed to your vehicle's specifications. Keep in mind, programming must be done by a qualified locksmith or dealership to ensure proper function and security. This key matches the original in both form and function, so it won't compromise your car's performance or safety features. The part numbers associated with this key include 4D67, 4D67, 4D68, 89785, 08020, 89785, 60160, 89785, 34020, and 5910834. This makes it easy to confirm compatibility with your vehicle or locksmith. Whether you're replacing a worn-out key or need a spare, this key offers the reliability you expect from an original manufacturer part. One satisfied customer from the United States praised this replacement as excellent, highlighting its quality and fit. That kind of feedback shows you're not just buying a generic key, you're investing in a product that meets high standards and delivers consistent results. If you're ready to replace your worn or lost key, this remote is worth a look. It saves time and frustration by matching your original key's design and chip technology. Plus, once programmed, it integrates seamlessly with your car's security system, giving you peace of mind every time you drive. To make the switch, simply take this key to your trusted locksmith or dealership for cutting and programming. They'll handle the technical part so you can enjoy smooth, reliable access to your vehicle again. No guesswork, no compromises, just a straightforward solution to a common problem. Don't settle for less when it comes to your car's keys. This replacement remote key offers the exact fit and function you need for several popular Toyota and Scion models. If that's you, consider this key your next smart move toward hassle-free driving. Try it when you're ready and experience the convenience of a perfectly matched replacement key. It's a practical, cost-effective way to keep your vehicle secure and accessible without delay.